Hello, namaste guys. How are you? Hope you are doing well and very fine. So आज का जो वीडियो है टुडे वीडियो विल बी फोकस ऑन द स्टैंडिंग सीरीज. बिल्कुल स्टैंडिंग सीरीज के ऊपर ये सारा का सारा वीडियो है एंड वेरी गुड थिंग दैट दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर हु आर लुकिंग फॉर द वेट लॉस एंड स्पेशली फॉर द लोअर बॉडी वेट लॉस. मतलब कि अगर इफ समवन वांट टू बी लॉस द वेट फ्रॉम द थाई एंड फ्रॉम द हिप, सो दिस वीडियो कैन बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर देम. इस वीडियो को देखिए, एंजॉय कीजिए एंड प्रैक्टिस भी कीजिए. एंड इफ यू लाइक इट, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच. नमस्ते, हरि ओम, ओम शांति. एंजॉय द वीडियो. Namaste everyone and welcome back in our morning class. Today our class will be on the standing series. So let's start with the relaxation and 3 times Om chanting. Bring your both palm together. A little gap in between your both legs. दोनों पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा सा गैप. फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ. कुछ लंबे गहरे श्वास. एवरीवन इनहेल, एक्सेल, इनहेल, एक्सेल, inhale and exhale. Three times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your palm and make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your mind. Gently open eyes, look up at your palm. Smiling face and then relax. Everyone place your both hands on the waist. Here we start with the neck movement. Inhale. Everyone look up. Shoulder relax. एक्सेल, नीचे की तरफ, लुक डाउन, इनहेल, स्लोली जेंटली धीरे से लुक अप, एक्सेल, slowly look down, inhale, look front, exhale, turn your head on the right, inhale, center, exhale, turn on the left, inhale, center, exhale, turn on the right, inhale, center, and exhale, turn on the left. Inhale, center, exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale again on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale on the left shoulder. And then relax. Your legs closer, थोड़े से पैर मिला लीजिए. You just right leg front side and just do the ankle stretch. Slowly, gently ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Joint movement is very important. आप बेशक सिटिंग से प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कीजिए चाहे स्टैंडिंग से. लेफ्ट लेग सेम, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे. And then relax everyone. Legs closer more. पैर थोड़े से और क्लोज कर लीजिए या बेशक थोड़े से मिला लीजिए आप. And then just only heel up and then down. Everyone raise the heel. Just come on the toes. अगर किसी को एंकल में कोई पेन प्रॉब्लम प्लीज अवॉइड इट. And then down. Inhale up, heel up. Exhale down. बस करते जाइए कुछ समय के लिए. Do it for a few times. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Once again inhale up and just stay for a while. Little push your hip front side, hip को थोड़ा सामने की तरफ. 1, 2, might you will feel a little stretch in the calf. And then relax everyone. Relax कीजिए and give jerks in your legs. Very good. Open arms your shoulder level. Both arms up. Inhale. Stretch your arms and look up. Exhale. Bring your both arms down. Both arms up. Inhale. And now you can make a finger lock. Finger lock बना लीजिए ऐसे. Palm facing upside. Stretch your arms and look up. Exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale once again, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up and very gently look up. थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ. 1, breathing. 2, legs closer. 4, 5, हिप सामने की तरफ. 6, एंड यहीं से once again everyone raise your heel को दोबारा उठा लीजिए. Exact the Tadasana variations. 1, 2, keep stretching. 3, 4, 5, हिप सामने की तरफ and breathing. 6, 7, and then relax everyone. धीरे से slowly drop your heel down and then relax your both hands here. Very good. Everyone make a fist and put your both arms just front side. Very good. Inhale, Your both arms up, दोनों हाथ ऊपर लेके जाइए, and exhale then down. Inhale, both arms up, exhale down, arm rotation. Inhale, arms up, exhale then down. Once again, inhale, arms up, and exhale then down. अब इसी को opposite एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. Inhale, both arms up. कोशिश कीजिएगा do not bend your arms. Inhale, arms up, exhale then down. Inhale, arms up, exhale then down. Inhale, arms up, exhale then down, and then just relax. कुछ देर में I'll take you back. थोड़े समय में वापस लेके आऊंगा इस प्रैक्टिस के ऊपर दोबारा से आपको. So everyone open your both legs your sidewise. Legs खोल लीजिए. Both hands on the waist. Beginning practice, any variations, any form, any categories very very important. Just move कीजिए hip को on the right side, right की तरफ लेके जाइए. And then move the hip on your left side, left की तरफ लेके जाइए. Very good. Once again, just move on the right. And once again, just move the hip on the left. Very good. Now just maintain the hip in between your both legs. अब इसे यहीं पर आपको फिक्स करना है. Only your right hand up, everyone. अब hip मूव मत कीजिएगा. Inhale, exhale. Now only your upper body. सिर्फ upper body को मूव कीजिए left की तरफ. And stay. 1, 2, 3 breathing के साथ. 4 inhalation exhalation. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Your left hand up. Inhale, stretch your left arm, hip stabilize, and then bend on the right. Stomach inside, अंदर की तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax your both hands. Maintain the same position, hands on your hip. हाथ अपने हिप पर लेके आइए. पाम आप ऐसे कीजिए, वट एवर यू कैन. शोल्डर डाउन, हिप पुशिंग फ्रंट साइड, हिप सामने की तरफ. इनहेल, लिफ्ट अप स्पाइन. एक्सेल, स्लोली जस्ट सिंपली पुश योर हिप फ्रंट एंड लुक अप. डू नॉट हैंग योर नेक, गर्दन को लटकाइएगा मत. 1, ब्रीथ. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, यहीं से bend forward. You can hold your both ankle and then try to bend down. Make sure leg straight and then spine straight. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Enough. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax everyone. We will be continuously the same practice. Maintain the same position. लेफ्ट हैंड डाउन एंड यूर राइट हैंड अप. मैं धीरे धीरे आपको लेके चलूंगा थोड़ा सा और इंटेंस. इनहेल, राइट हैंड अप. एक्सेल, अगेन बैंड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. स्टेबलाइज द हिप. हिप को मूव मत कीजिएगा राइट की तरफ. इन बिटवीन. 1, 2, स्टमक इन, पेट को अंदर खींचिए. 3, 4, कंटिन्यूसली ब्रीथिंग. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand up. Inhale, stretch your left arm and exhale, then bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax everyone. Same position, just put your hands on the back. थोड़े से हाथ ऊपर की तरफ, lower mid spine. Inhale, open shoulder, drop shoulder, hip push in front, exhale, then bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Same, you can hold the ankle, bend elbow, leg straight and then bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come up. Exhale, then relax everyone. Very good. I will take you continuously one more time. एक बार फिर चलेंगे same practice के अंदर, same flow, just we will a bit modify. Both hands up and everyone hold your both elbows. Elbows को hold कर लीजिए ऐसे. Same thing, hip always any side bending, hip सामने की तरफ push कीजिए so that your spine can be straight. Inhale, exhale, once again bend on the left, stabilize the hip. 1, 2, breathing, 3, और जाइए नीचे, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, come back and exhale, then bend on the right. Remember to stabilize the hip. 1, breathing, 2, 3, stomach in, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax your both hands everyone. Now once again, put your both hands on the back. This time your hands a bit up. थोड़े से हाथ पहले की बजाय थोड़े से और ऊपर लेके जाइए, आप जितना कर पाए. Inhale and exhale, push your hip front and then try to bend back. कोशिश कीजिए your leg straight. Keep trying to keep the leg straight. 1, breathing, 2, 3 and 4. Inhale, come back. This time everyone make a finger lock. पीछे से ऐसे finger lock बनाइए. And then again try to be bend down everyone. Your legs, spine straight and then stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax everyone. Keep your legs closer and now relax it. Relax कीजिए थोड़ा सा. Very good. So now I will take you back as I said in the beginning. अभी हम दोबारा से आपको मैं arm rotation पर लेके चलूंगा. So everyone please take a strap. अगर आपके पास strap है, strap ले लीजिए. You have the towel. आपके पास कोई बड़ा towel है या बड़ा towel ले लीजिए. If you have, women have like of the dupatta, chunni, anything you can be take. कोई बात नहीं. वो भी नहीं है, कोई शर्ट ले लीजिए, कोई पैंट ले लीजिए, whatever you have, you can be take. So will we try the arm rotation? So very important thing about to measure the gap. वो gap कैसे आप measure करेंगे? Because that thing will be depend on your shoulder flexibility. Because we are going to practice inhale arms up and exhale then down. So if you have enough flexibility, so the gap can be closer and closer. If not, तो gap आपका ज्यादा होगा. ध्यान दीजिएगा, inhale when your hands up, your arm should be straight and exhale then down. You find you can do more, तो आप gap कम कर सकते हैं. Inhale arms up and exhale then down. इस तरीके से. ऐसे मत जाइएगा हाथ टेढ़े मेढ़े करते हुए. Come on, हो जाइए शुरू. Just do that 20 times everyone. Initial level you try to do it little slowly and can be have a bigger gap. Gap बेशक आप थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रखिए. Inhale up exhale then down. But practice without any jerks. बिना किसी झटके के साथ आपकी मूवमेंट होनी चाहिए. Without any jerks, your movement should be, means the movement should be smooth and very very gently. Count करते जाइए. Inhale up, exhale down, बिल्कुल धीरे. Inhale up, exhale then down. For increase the flexibility in the shoulder, it can be a very very good practice, but we'll try with the yogic way, means we will be focused more on the breath. करते जाइए. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Someone feeling harder, so please आप गैप को ज्यादा कर सकते हैं. आप करते जाइए. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale then down. Just few repetitions more. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale then down. A very good practice. Okay, I think we've done almost the 20 times. Relax everyone. आ जाइए वापस. Very good. Just stay कीजिए. Open legs again. You are side में. दोनों पैर दोबारा से साइड में ओपन आप कर लीजिए. So we already did some practice of the side bending. Now I will give you the one routine for the hip, and then we will correlate all the practice together with that. So first turn your left foot on the left side. Left foot को left की तरफ कर लीजिए. And right foot on the right side. Right को right की तरफ. Need to be maintain the balance. Balance भी बनाना पड़ेगा आपको थोड़ा सा. Both hands on the waist. सिर्फ 5 times के लिए. Only 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your legs and push your hip down. Knee, ankle, knee to hip. Like this. Maintain. Inhale up in the temple pose. Exhale then down. Inhale then up. Exhale then down. Inhale then up. Exhale then down. 3. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then 5. And inhale then up. Very good. Relax. For the beginning is okay. The later we will be changed. Good. Again open legs your sidewise. दोबारा से पैर खोल लीजिए. Good. So first turn your left foot on the left side. सिर्फ left foot लेके जाइए. Right foot a bit inside. कोशिश कीजिएगा your both leg heel should be aligned. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, left hand down and then right hand straight over the head. Same thing जो हमने last time किया, but do not move the hip like me. उसको control कीजिए. You need to be control the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suck your belly in. 5, 6. Everyone make a finger lock. Palm facing on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale, come back and exhale. Relax your both hands. Same practice another side. Your right foot on the right side. Open arms your shoulder level step by step. Inhale, exhale, right hand down, left arm straight over the head. Stay कीजिए. Stabilize your hip and contract your core. 1, 3, 4. Breathing. 5, 6, 7. And now make a finger lock. Palm on the right side. 1. जाओ थोड़ा नीचे. 2, 3, breath, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Inhale, come back and exhale. Relax your both hands, everyone. First फीट अंदर कीजिए, लेग्स थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स कीजिए. Once again open legs sidewise. दोबारा से पैर खोल लीजिए. लेफ्ट फुट लेफ्ट साइड, राइट फुट ऑन द राइट थाई. सेम अगेन बोथ हैंड्स ऑन द वेस्ट. अब की बार चलेंगे 10 times. Inhale, exhale, bend the legs and hip down. हंसते हंसते, smile smile. Inhale up, exhale, then down. Inhale up, exhale down with engage your thigh. Inhale up, exhale down 3. Inhale up, exhale down 4. Knee को push कीजिए बाहर की तरफ. Keep pushing the knee outside. Inhale up, exhale down 6. Inhale up, exhale down 7. Inhale up, exhale down 5. Inhale up, exhale down 8. Inhale up, exhale down 9. Inhale up and exhale down, then 10. Okay guys, come back. Inhale, and now feet front side. Everyone simply first bend forward, drop the right hand down and your left hand up. Good. Just stay. Hip stabilize. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Left hand down and then your right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right hand, hold your left ankle and then left hand up. Look up, left palm. 1, you can look at me. 3, 4, 5 and 6. With the left hand, hold the right ankle, right hand up and then twist. Look up, right palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Slowly come up, everyone. Inhale, exhale, now relax. अब इसी प्रैक्टिस को, the same practice we will correlate with our next practice. So now left foot on the left side and also turn your hip on the left side. So the first, everyone very simply bend forward and just come on the 90. Hip square everyone, दोनों hip को align कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just only drop your right hand को drop कीजिए. Hip stabilize and then lift your left hand up and look up at your left palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can put the block under your right hand अगर आप नहीं कर पाए तो. 8, 9 and then 10. Drop your both hands down. अब कोशिश कीजिए लेफ्ट लेग के नजदीक जाने की. Try to go near to the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay guys, slowly come up. वापस आ जाइए. Same practice, another side. Right foot on the right side and turn your hip also on the right side. Both hands on the thigh and slowly just try to be bent down. Very good. And then 3, 4, 5. Cross your right leg with the left hand. Hip square, दोनों hip align कीजिए. Left hand drop down and then right hand up. Expansion, look down, look sideways, look up. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Drop your both hands down and go near to the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Slowly come up everyone. वापिस आ जाइए. Keep your both legs closer now. You can be relax your legs. Now I will take you the third round with a temple squat. Open legs your sidewise. दोबारा से again left foot left side and your right foot on the right side. Adjust the gap. Both hands on your waist. Inhale, exhale, bend legs, push your hip down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, then 2. Inhale, up. Exhale, then 3. Inhale, up. Exhale, 4. Inhale, up. Exhale, 5. Inhale, up. Do with me, मेरे साथ. Exhale, 7. Inhale, up. Exhale, 8. Come on. Inhale, up. Exhale, 9. Inhale, up. Breath के साथ. Exhale, 10. Inhale, up. Exhale, 11. Inhale, up. Breathing के साथ. Exhale, 12. Inhale, up. Exhale, 13. Inhale, up. Exhale, 14. Inhale, up. Exhale, 15. Stay कीजिए. 15 के बाद यहीं से थोड़ा सा हिप डाउन एंड अप. सिर्फ यहीं पर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come on everyone. Legs closer and relax. Relax कीजिए. Beautiful. Good. So now we will change our practice again. Open legs again, your sidewise. दोबारा से खोल लीजिए. Yes. But this time you have to be bent down. एक बार देख लीजिए because sometimes you are doing mistake during the practice. आपको हाथ ऐसे नीचे लेके जाने. This way. But remember, legs ऐसे नहीं आनी चाहिए आपकी. Your legs should be here. Means your hip legs should be maintained like here. ना ही ज्यादा आगे और ना ही ज्यादा पीछे. Just the straight. Hands on the floor. यहाँ से do not open legs too much wider. अपने हिसाब से कीजिए and just only you have to be drop elbow like that. इतना आगे जाके मत कीजिएगा. It will be won't affect anything. Just here. And then just try. 1. हो जाइए शुरू. Everyone. Spine straight everyone. Hip out. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do not understand, look at me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. After 20, everyone bend the legs, elbow on the knee and palm together. आ जाओ. सामने देखिए, मुझे देखिए, स्माइल के साथ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नी को पुश कीजिए बाहर की तरफ. 7, 8, 9, 10. Second round. Come on. Once again the same. Leg straight. Movement practice. Come on guys. 1, 2. आप legs थोड़ा सा क्लोज कर सकते हैं पहले की बजाय. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Once again, bend the legs, push your hip down, and again namaste everyone. सुबह की नमस्ते, मॉर्निंग नमस्ते. 1, 2, breathing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. एक बार और मेहनत करें थोड़ी सी. विल डू प्रैक्टिस वन मोर टाइम. कम ऑन द सेम. आ जाइए. ओपन लेग्स. इफ यू वांट यू कैन लिटिल क्लोज द गैप. थोड़ा सा गैप आप कम कर सकते हैं. कंटिन्यूअसली. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And the once more guys, bend the legs and push your hip down. वापस आ जाइए. And namaste. Difficult, you can put the block under your hip. Knee को अंदर नहीं लेके आना मेरी तरह. You have to be push knee outside. Fix the position and everyone try your both hands up. Come on. 1, हाथ सीधे. बैंड नहीं आना चाहिए हाथों के अंदर. हाथ सीधे और सीधे और सीधे. 3, 4, 5, 6, breathing, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then relax, hold the ankle, your legs straight, bend forward once again. Come on guys. 1, 2, wide leg stretch pose. 4, breathing. 5, 6, 7 and relax. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Okay, relax your legs. Relax कीजिए. Relax everyone. These all are the very, I think, very basic practices. It is not, you can say, it's very hard stretch or hard any flexibility. All are the very basic and the gentle routine. But we are just making in the one sequence that can be इफेक्ट ऑन यू. एक ही प्रैक्टिस को जब हम एक मूवमेंट में एक रैपिड तो नहीं कहेंगे उसको, एक कंटिन्यूअस मूवमेंट में जब आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे देन इट विल गिव यू द वेरी मच एंड वेरी गुड इफेक्ट ऑन योर बॉडी. सो नाउ आई विल टेक यू बैक ऑन द साइड बेंडिंग. आज हम लोअर बॉडी थाई एंड थोड़ी सी साइड बेंडिंग की तरफ आपको मैं लेके चलूंगा. सो लेग्स ए बिट क्लोजर दिस टाइम. बिट क्लोजर. यहां रखिए पैरों को अपने. ओके, 2 डीप ब्रेथ. मुझे लगता है सभी को सांस चढ़ गए अभी. इनहेल, एक्सेल, काम डाउन. इनहेल, एक्सेल. वंस मोर. इनहेल एंड एक्सेल. वेरी गुड. हैंड्स अप एवरीवन. तो ये जो प्रैक्टिस अब जो हम करेंगे, दिस प्रैक्टिस आई विल आल्सो टेक यू इन द वन फ्लो. So ready, hip front set. सभी आ जाइए साथ में. Come on, do not wait. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. अब यहीं पर फिक्स रहिए. सिर्फ थोड़ा सा पैर खोल लीजिए. 1, 2, if you can down more you can. 3, 4, 5. थोड़ा सा और पैर खोल लीजिए एंड देन ट्राई टू बी डाउनवर्ड. मेंटेन द हिप. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड दोबारा से लेग्स टुगेदर. पैर दोबारा से मिला लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Inhale, come back and exhale. Everyone make a finger lock back side and bend down from here. जाइए नीचे. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chair pose. Knee align with the toes and hands up. एक बार just one time look at me, मेरी तरफ देख लीजिए. Especially change the position of the hip. Hip बाहर मत निकालिएगा ऐसे. Hip just try to be move inside. थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ कर लीजिए hip को. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip down. 5. Hip down. 6. Hip down. 7. Hip down. 8. Hip down. 10. Inhale and exhale. Relax everyone. You can be have a walk on the mat. थोड़ा सा घूम लीजिए मैट के ऊपर just for relaxation. Okay guys, come back. आ जाइए वापस. Enough है, enough हो गई morning walk आपकी. So now the same side bending. So first your legs a bit closer. Hands up. Finger lock. Inhale. Hip push in front. Exhale, bend on the right. Come on. 1. Breathing. सभी कीजिए. 2, 3, 4, 5. थोड़ा सा पैर खोलिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. थोड़ा सा एक बार और. 1, 2, 3, 4. पैर मिला लीजिए. क्लोजर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Once again. Finger lock from back side. And everyone bend forward. All the way go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Chair pose. Inhale your arms up. Stay कीजिए यहां पर. Try to maintain your knee and the toes align. Hip inside. Hip अंदर की तरफ. So that you can be use your inner thigh strength. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come on, legs straight, bend forward, hold your ankle and then touch your legs. For relaxation, stay कीजिए. Hold for few deep breath.